Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Tavre. Welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome in a class series of German language. Today we will learn seasons in German. Like we know summer, winter, rainy are three main seasons in India. So let's learn what are the main seasons in German. Okay, so starting with the word season. Season is called Jahreszeit. Jahreszeit. Why there is a J and we are calling Jahreszeit? Because like we learn about A to Z alphabets in German, so J is called J, that's why the pronunciation is Jahreszeit. Okay, and the plural of it, seasons, is Jahreszeiten. Jahreszeiten. Okay, so the first season is spring. For spring the German word is Frühling. Frühling. This season is from March to May. So, von März bis Mai. Okay, second season, summer. German word for summer is Sommer. Sommer. This season is from June to August. Von Juni bis August. Okay. Third season is autumn, or you can say fall. The German word for this is Herbst. Herbst. Okay, and this season is from September to November. So von September bis November. Okay, and the last fourth season is winter. Okay, German word for winter is winter only, no change. This season is from December to February. So von Dezember bis February. February. Okay, so these are the four main German seasons. I hope this video and the other videos like our complete German series will help you to learn basics of German. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And again, thank you and bye bye for now. Have a great time. Bis bald.